Well, we adhere to a strict stylistic principle.
We only wear white.
Yes, it comes with risks.
Oh, come on.
People don't always understand our lifestyle.
You like it? It's handmade.
So nice.
People always ask if we have a white option for every situation. We do.
But sometimes it's a struggle.
What's wrong?
I don't have anything to wear. I need something formal.
Sorry, had a bit of a wardrobe emergency.
Nothing a little improvisation can't fix.
Wearing white to hide your flakes? Don't let dandruff dictate your life. Nizoral is clinically proven to control flaking and itching from dandruff.